Hi guys, so sorry about those weird noises in the back because we were having a cookout and my dad is cooking something and I am so bored right now. This is not the usual casual, so it is Sunday, no, not Sunday, Saturday, and here's my brother scratching his butt, and here's my dad. Say hi. And I'm going to make some tea first for it. First gotta hike. Let me turn on this because they had, so we're making some chicken. My mom's outside right now. So, yeah. And I'm basically just sitting in the, in the living room, not in mine. And just thinking of if I wanted to make a YouTube channel. And there goes my brother burping without saying excuse me. And I'm getting some marshmallows because it's quite cold, I guess. Oops. Marshmallows, top it. Nice. So, cook it up. He's making the hot sauce. They drink the hot sauce, but I think it's too hot for me to drink. And yeah, so I'm gonna cook this for 30 minutes first. And that's probably just gonna not wait. So, sorry I haven't been recording for a long time. I'm probably going to stand near the kitchen because it probably is going to not take a long time to be finished because I don't want to overcook my marshmallows or heat it up as well. So, let me sit down. So, I'm going to tell you, we're barely getting ready for Christmas. And those of you who are already decorating, we decorated our front yard. It's like let me scroll down. It's 12:41 currently, and I need to stop saying currently, guys. So, we decorate the front yard. It was already decorated, and sorry to those. I didn't eat any chicken or anything. It's just that we're outside while there's smoke and everything going from the fire. So yeah, cookouts and steaming stuff. So, I mean, it's pretty cold. I'm gonna show y'all the jar. The jar. This is just my little watcher. This is goes like that. I don't keep it on there all the time. This is the Mickey Mouse good jar. So you pull one out of this jar and it would give you good things, and so it goes up here right there, and that's that. And these are where we store our chips up there. I'll just turn this into a half of a tour of my kitchen, half of it. So, sorry I haven't been doing a lot. I actually have been busy. There's days that I would be in the pool, or there's days, I'm sorry I couldn't record the other video because I actually went to the pumpkin patch and mini Thanksgiving stuff when it was Halloween. On Thanksgiving, we had apple juice, but we threw it away because it was like no one was drinking it because we went to the apple cider. And we did this I'm not gonna tell her name because I don't know, I need to get permission from her. So she's a very nice woman and she's very kind and she takes us like literally. This is really good. Even though I'm not in the mood for sweet stuff. Oh my god. Okay. It's like, do you guys want me to do pranks? I used to record fake videos and prank my brother over there. Because I would ask him if he wants water and I would put someone else in there. I might do that. I need to do it out of nowhere though. This won't be an everyday vlog. Oh yeah, let me see. I'm gonna show. This is what he made, and he said that he needs a battery to make a portable charger. I guess out of a pencil. I don't know what this is. He just told me what. Okay, this is weird because I don't even know how he screwed this on to here. There's this thing up here that I have no idea what it is, and I don't know how he connected those wires to it. So yeah, and there's the bottom part, and I don't know how he's gonna get the battery in there. He taped it with tape with the pencil. I don't know what the pencil has to do with anything, so this is what he made right here. Shout out to his creation if it actually does work. And he literally, okay, my nephew has been scared because you see this part? Ew, say excuse me.
No.
So rude. This is where so he would say my nephew would think that he's actually gonna shoot him because he thinks that something's gonna come out when he shoots this part. So yeah. So while they're cooking up the meal, I don't know when to end the vlog. Probably, I don't know. I'm probably gonna end it. I'm also have another vlog coming out shortly. So yeah, and I'm gonna tell you guys what we are doing for Christmas and what's coming up. So what's coming up is that you're gonna have a lot of tours of my house, and I'm gonna start doing a daily vlog. I don't know, or I might do some games or reactions to some things. And I think that I'm recording another video because this is actually really fun just recording. I'll do a tour of my house, maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday, and I might do some more stuff. So I might do dance videos or singing videos or not because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, look forward to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, goodbye.